Yeah, it's box time! What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. Oh, there it is. We have an envelope inside our box! Yeah! Now, let's play everybody's favorite game. What's in the envelope that was in the box? Very cool. All right. So, there is a little damage down there. You can see the fold. You can see that patent number. It is a 3-4 patent number. Come on, focus. Yeah. With no country. So, we're going to open this up. Gentle. Very gentle. See, you want to be careful with these PEZ dispensers that are still in a cello. You don't want to be putting them above your head and swinging them around and things like that. All right. There we go. Ta-da! All right, where were we? All right, we can see the IMC of 5. So we do know that this is a Yugoslavia dispenser. Hat color is really cool on that one. And as we flip it over, Donald can be a PEZ sheriff. That's right. That's where these stickers came from. They would be, something fun on top of candy, on top of your candy dispenser. Awesome. So this is part of the Donald Duck master set that we're putting together for the Pig. Very cool, hard piece to find. In cello. With no made in country. Really like that. So until next time.